started this lifestyle about 5 years back because of my husband's health. And after following this lifestyle, we nearly lost 28 kgs of weight in a span of 8 months. And I lost 18 kgs of weight. And we are so fit. We don't look back at all. And I started this, let me give it a try, how it helps me out. So within a week, we were aware of it. Yeah, this is something new that only food can change our lifestyle. What we put into our stomach is really we have to put the very same way what is to be put in right way. So today I'm going to show you a smoothie, and the reason is why, because we have some greens in the smoothie. So what sort of greens we are having? So over here I have some greens. On the top view, as you can see, I have some beetroot greens. I have some beetroot greens. So this is the beet over here, and I'm using only the green part into my smoothie, right? And then we have carrots over here, and only the green part I'm going to use for the smoothies. So we have many options. So every day change your greens into your smoothie. So I have shown you 2 options over here right now. Then we have this red amaranth, which we have this red cholai bhaji. We have this, we can use this also. Third one. Then we have beetle leaves, pan. You can use in your smoothies. 4. Then you have spinach. So just take care that spinach are not to be used more than twice in a week because it has oxalates which blocks calcium. So we have to have in a proportion. So not more than twice a week. Then we have basil leaves. You can use that into your smoothie. Then you have green amaranth also. So you can use that. So there are many varieties of greens to be added into your smoothie so that all the fibers are there and it works as a bloom into your body. So whatever blockages are there, this all cleanses our body with this greens. So the best way to have this greens is to have in your smoothie. So that's the reason we are making smoothie, and always have fruits along with your smoothie into your smoothie. The reason is so that you can have those greens. Otherwise, normally we don't have greens into our diet. So this is the best way to have it. But when you add fruits, so just see to it you have an empty stomach. Fruits are always to be consumed at empty stomach. So today I'm going to use bananas, which are around the year, have seasonal fruits as far as possible. So today I'm having some bananas over here. Instead of raisins, I'm using some dates, some grated ginger, lemon juice, and mint leaves. Mint is also available around the time or around the month, or like 12 months a year. We get the mint over here, so everything is fresh. So you can just add to your smoothie. And how I'm going to make it, I'm going to show you that. First of all, can you do the, yeah. First of all, I'm going to add the greens into my jar. So I'm adding 1/3 cup of greens over here. It's very simple. Don't need to add anything more. Then I'm going to add some bananas. Add some lemon juice for a tanginess. Some grated ginger to have a nice taste. And some sweetener. But if you're having organic, you don't need to add some sweetener at all. That's the reason we buy all organic things. And a cup of water. Just add everything and blend. And it's so simple to have it. Try to have fresh when you make it. And your smoothie is ready. So how are we going to have your smoothie? First of all, in the morning, after brushing teeth, taking your routine, you just have the smoothie and you are full. That's the thing, your smoothie is ready. So now what sort of fruits You can add. You can add papaya, you can add chiku, you can add oranges, pineapple, whatever fruits you have, you can all add it. But never add melons into your fruits because melons are watery. They digest very fast. Their properties are different. And other pulpy foods digest low. So don't add melons into your fruits anytime. So simple is the thing is always have fruits empty stomach, whether you're having in the evening also or a evening 4, 5 o'clock or something. So have with empty stomach. It is the best thing to have it. So in the morning, start with this, and your day starts very well, and you feel stomach full also. Plus, you don't feel like having breakfast also. Now, like since for years I'm following this lifestyle, I don't need breakfast at all. We have this 2 to 3 glasses of smoothies in the morning, and by 6:37 we have it, and till 10:30 we don't need to have anything. And again, we take a nice plate of fruits for our breakfast if we need something. So we are raw till 12 o'clock. It's the best way to have it. Have seasonal fruits, whatever is available now. It's winter. You have strawberries, you have berries, grapes. There are so many fruits which are coming up. So try to have that. So this is a nice simple thing which I made it in a smoothie. As a smoothie now, the calcium shot which I'm going to show you. The calcium shot which I'm going to show you is over here. How we are going to make the calcium shot. So how are we going to make the calcium shot? So I have some sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds I've used. I have soaked it in the morning to make in the evening. So I have some sesame seeds, I have some soaked almonds, some dates, and cardamom and water. And just to garnish, I have some saffron thread. So you can garnish with that. So how are we going to make that is mix all together. It's a very simple thing. Can you do the top view, front view? Yeah. So add everything together into your jar. Some sweetener I'm adding. So you don't need to strain at all. I'm adding some cardamom. I'm adding whole. You can add powder also if you need. And some water, little water so that it gets briny. So it will make a smooth paste sort of thing. So now if you want, you can add some more water or make it a fine paste more. Now I'll add some more water so that it grinds very easily. It gives a nice aroma. You don't have to strain it. So all fibers are intact over here also. I'm going to just add into my glass. And add some saffron strands. Yes, shot is ready. So this is a simple way why we are ditching dairy nowadays. It's just like a farming sort of thing, factory farming. And I really hated dairy at all. Like I never had dairy. I never liked to have dairy when I was a child. And after growing up, I never felt like having them into your mouth. So only we are the species which we have another species drink. We have never heard it like a dog drinks cat's milk or cat drinks horse's milk or something of that sort. So living apart, if we can leave them as they are its own, and we have in a very simple way, in a plant-based way, then why we are supposed to have all those things? So there's no harm in trying it out. Once you try it, then you won't be go back to your own lifestyle, old lifestyle. So this is my method which I have tried it, and Dr. Shankran himself had advised us to go on this lifestyle. And after going back, there was no looking back at all. So I'm very, very satisfied that I followed this lifestyle. And blessing in disguise was I was suffering with thyroid, which has been cured, and my energy levels have like tremendously went up. Thinking, thinking the way we think right now is something very different and in a very positive way. So I would like all the people who are today in a session or on this webinar to give it a try, take consultation with the doctor at the other song. This will really help you how to go through it. And the recipes are quite simple. The recipe will be in the slide.